And there's one more, right? Mode.
Most stuff.
Mode. Most often. Just think of most. All right, so the first section is finding the mean. So all we're going to do is um, Amy has taken a class that has 5 exams, each worth 100 points. After 4 exams, her average in the class is 80%. She tells her friend Phil, if I got 100 on the last exam, my grade will be an A. 80 and 100 average to be 90, which is an A. Phil replies, no, it's not even possible for you to get an A in the class. Who's right and why?
Because he's the teacher. Plot twist.
Anybody know, just before I do it?
Hey, what?
Who's right and why? She says she's got a 80% in the class, and if she gets 100 on the last test, 80 plus 100 is 180 divided by 2 is 90. She thinks she'll get an A. Is that right?
No.
Think about it. 5 tests, she gets 80s on all of them, and then the last test is worth 100 points, just like the other test. So she gets 80, she has 80, she gets 100, will she get 90 for a grade? Pretty interesting, huh? Well, let's.
He says yes, Phil says no. Who's right?
Hey, I got an idea.
Dr. Phil's always right.
Let's do Amy. Get it? Let's say she gets 80 out of 100. First one. Was well, these are the first 5, right? So we'll say the first 5. So here's our choices. Is it 5 tests? 4 exams. First 4. And then she gets 100 on the last test. According to Amy, she'll get a 90%, right? For her class grade. But Phil says, no, you won't, because you got an 80 on your first test.
Oh, I think she's
80. You think she's right?
right. Yeah.
80 on the third test. 80 on the fourth test.
I don't know.
And then she gets, 100 on the last test?
The average is that she gets 80.
Oh my
So,
gosh, you're here
so
now.
what's her average? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, right?
Oh my
Total 500 points. She's got 80, 160, 240, 240, 320, 420. Hey, look at that, 420. And 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a calculator. Does this come out to an A?
No, it doesn't.
What does it come out to?
85%.
So who's right? Who's right?
Phil.
Phil's right.
Phil's never wrong.
Phil's never wrong. Dr. Phil's always right, even though he's got phony degrees. All right. So suppose her friend scores 90 out of 100 points on a test in a different class. What is his average in the course after the test he had 60% of 100 possible points prior to the test? Okay, so 60 over 100, right? So here's friend. Here's friend of Amy. Must be Sheldon. Let's see. Prior he got 60 of 100, right? And then he gets 90, right? And so let's figure this out. This is the prior, right? So we'll put prior. So he gets, what do we got here? 150? 150 over 200. And we put that in our old handy dandy calculator. 150 divided by 200. It's got a 75%. Okay. What if he had 60% of 900 possible? So let's see, 60% prior to the test. Okay, so we're going to have to multiply these, right? 0.60, 60% times of 900. By the way, that little word of means multiplication. Okay, so this gets 540 points out of 900, right? 60% of 900. So here's my 900. 60% of that is 540. Then he gets, another 90 out of 100, right? So he has a total of 530, 630 out of 1,000.
I'll say 6%.
That's 60% of the 900 prior, and then he gets the current 90 out of 100, which gives him 630 out of 900 or 1,000, right? Hope I didn't confuse it too much. 630, it should be 63%, right? Yep. All right. So that's working with the mean.
Currency.
Would be, I don't know.
What? All right.
Okay, so here's the actual definition down here. Right? The mean is the average of a set of numbers. That's a definition of mean. Look it up. All right, let's go on here. Example number 1. Um, okay, so we're going to add up all the numbers. They give you the answer here, but let's just do it by ourselves, right? Let's see. Let's add up all the numbers. So I'm going to add up all those numbers. 15, 708, 1054. Oops. Damn it. 11006. 11, 530. 19, 122. 13, 699. And 19, 194. Then we're going to divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we should get this average here. So divide by 7. And this average here is 14,330. Hey, look at that. Did it right. Aren't you proud of me?
Very proud.
I see how it works, and well, they give you the answers for all this, so I'm not going to do that. Number 3. Okay, 8 servers work at a restaurant and earn the following tips on a particular night. 100. I'm not going to write that out. That's way too much work. Use my handy dandy calculator. 100 plus 70 plus 72 plus 145 plus 50.44 plus 66.0.12 plus 88.19 plus 112. So I get 704.25. Going to divide that by how many did I have? 1, 2, 3. Should be 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So divide by 8. Each received $88.03. Boy, is this hard. Okay, number 4. 2 months in a biology course. Aaron, get it? Aaron? She's probably got enough. Has taken 3 quizzes with the scores out of 10 points each 8, 8, and 5. Well, she got one out. What is her average quiz score? Okay, so we need to find the average quiz score. Let's do that first. Let's see. A, or average, in other words, the mean. So we got 8 plus 8 plus 5 out of 10 points each is 30, right? See, 13, 21 out of 30? 70%. Okay. What is the average quiz? Suppose on the 4th quiz she scores 3 points. That's more like Aaron. Okay, so B. Let's see. She gets on the 4th quiz. So she got 8 plus 8, and it's 10 points, right? Yeah. Plus 5 plus 3 divided by 40. So 21, 24 divided by 40. Yeah, there we go. It's getting closer to Aaron's usual grade here. Okay, compute her new average. How does this low score affect her grade? By 10%. About 10%. And why is that? Because she's stupid and got a 3 on the last quiz. Could be a guy though, Aaron, right? Oh wait, could be gender neutral too. Because of Aaron's low grade on last quiz.
And it's ERIN, so you really don't know.
Oh, I'm not going to go. Forget it. Never mind. I'm not going to go there. Nope. Nope. Maybe Aaron will win at swimming. Let's see what else we got here. 7. I mean, Do we want to do this? Aaron's goal is an average of 7 on 5 quizzes, meaning that we need 5 stacks each 7 squares tall. We can rearrange the current squares so that we're not going to rearrange. Let's just compute. We can check so she needs an 11 on the last. Scoring 11 points may be possible if the instructor offers a bonus point on the quiz. Doubtful, because it's no such thing as extra credit. Extra credit. I never give extra credit. I don't believe in it. You guys believe in extra credit?
Yeah.
Of course you do. You're students.
Yeah.
Doesn't believe I credit.
And Miss Abruzzo's class, she used to give me extra credit. I had like 107 in her class.
That is so sad.
That's how I passed algebra 2 for Hardy. Is all his extra credit like that we had for COVID. He would give us like we would take like the test for the thing or whatever, and then he would give us like extra credit.
All right, let's do number 5. Ben is searching for reviews on a book he is interested in reading. He sees that there are 12 reviews, each ranging from 0 to 5 stars. The average rating of the book is 3.75 stars. He sees there are 4 reviews at 5 stars each. So 4 reviews at 5 stars each. Let's see, 4 reviews at 4 reviews at 5 stars. So here's 4 reviews. You got 20 stars out of 20, right? Okay, 4 reviews at 4 stars. So 4 times 4 is 16. Bless you. Out of 20. 2 reviews at 3 stars. Okay, 2 reviews at 3 stars. Okay, so 2 times 5 is 10, right? Total 10 points. And 3 stars, so 3 times 2 is 6. And then 1 review at 2 stars, so 2 out of 5. And then, is that it? Nope. Let's see. He sees the first 11 reviews on one page, but the last review is on the next page. Without clicking to the next page, what is the rating of the last review? So we don't know what the rating is of the last one review, right? So I'm going to put an X there because I don't know what it is. 1 review is worth 5 points. But we do know that this is all equals what? 3.75 stars. Anyway, let's figure it out. 20 plus 16 is 36. 42, 44. X. What's the total on the stars here? 20, 40, 50, 60. Okay. So there's one of my ratios. 44x equals 60. Going to divide by 44, right? So that last review was how many stars? I don't know because I need my handy dandy calculator. 60 divided by 44. So that last review was 1.3. So 1. It was a 1 star. So the last review, X equals 1. 1 star. The last review was a 1 star. Pretty cool, huh? And do I want to do these? Connect, midpoint, nope, don't want to do midpoint, don't want to do connect, I'm done.